Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today, we're decorating a tablescape for one. So now this is a quick reminder that on the 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the wood serving collaboration. I'm so excited. It's the sweet pink or red edition. We cannot wait to have you there. Moving on to the next collaboration. Well, on February 26th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Cozy Corner or Vignette collaboration. We cannot wait to have you guys come and join. It is an open invitation and can't wait to see you there, guys. Okay, so February 29, we have the Tier Tray collaboration, and it is the All About Green edition, which is St. Patty's Day, and I'm just so excited about these upcoming collaborations. So come on in, join us. It's going to be so much fun. Have an amazing day, guys. God bless you.